How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. In this special video, I will reintroduce an older project, the Blum project, because since Dogecoin has already been listed, many new users have joined, and they don't know about Blum. Yes, I'm making a new video about the Blum project again for those who aren't aware of it. Trust me when I say that if you work on this Blum project with your eyes closed and wait for about 2 months, you will 100% get paid. If you don't believe it now, you can check my words 2 months later or sometime in the future. Although we can't predict exactly when a project will be listed, Blum has been around for a long time, and according to trustworthy sources, it might take around 2 months. Now, how do you work on this Blum project? Another question you might have is who is behind the Blum project? Well, the Blum project is managed by former executives from Binance, those who were previously CEOs but are now retired. This project will also include an exchange, Blum Exchange, Blum apps, and things like that. We have learned this from their roadmaps, which is why I say that if you work on Blum, you will definitely make a good profit. So, how do you start working on it? I will provide the link to join Blum in the description box and the comment section. Once you click the link, you will enter the Blum project, and the work is simple. You log in daily and receive some coins, and you also start mining, where you get a few tokens regularly. There is not much more work here. When you log in, you'll immediately receive some tokens, and after that, you check in daily to claim tokens. After completing tasks, you earn more tokens. By joining DOGS community and working for about 2 months, you can expect a good return. Also, sharing this with your friends and referring them will earn you a commission on their mining efforts. There are a few more things to do to maximize your earnings, which I explain in the video, like linking your wallet, completing additional tasks, and participating in the Blum game for extra rewards. Lastly, remember to stay connected to our Telegram channel for regular updates. If you work consistently on Blum, you will 100% make a profit. Let me know if you need further details or clarification on any part.